Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to.
How to make a zipper pouch. First thing to do is to cut 2 pieces each of front and lining fabric with 24 cm length and 21 cm width, and take a zipper with 20 cm from the top of the pole down to the stop point. But the entire length of the zipper, including the tails on it, is 24 cm. So that is the length that you're going to cut. And then the width is totally up to you. So I decided to make mine 21 cm width. Next, take the lining fabric right side up and grab your zipper, put it on the top of the lining, and take your main fabric and lay that wrong side up, and we're going to sandwich the zipper with the 2 fabric. Line them up perfectly, pin and sew it at the top using a zipper foot. The reason this is important is that it allows to get closer to the zipper as we sew without the foot getting in the way. Place it to your machine and we're ready to sew. The other thing I want to point out is this a little pole at the top of the zipper. Then unzip your 2 zipper a little bit like that, and then go back and sew the ends. So let's sew the other side. Place the lining right side up. Take the zipper, which now has the other fabric on it. So you can see the zipper is on the opposite side. Now take the outer piece wrong side up and sandwich them all together. As you can see, I'm getting back to this pole here. Then let's pull the zipper up again. Then go back and sew the ends. Now we're going to sew at the top. The most important thing in this project is to open your zipper before you sew everything together. After that, take your 2 outer fabric and place those 2 together. Take lining fabric and place those 2 together. Sew it all around, but don't forget to leave an opening space in the lining that we can turn it right side out. Turn it right side out and sew the opening we left. And we're finished. And here's the finished product.